next song from our songbook is Andantino by Kohler. Kohler is a well-known classical composer, and he composed this melody. And if you would like to find the original composition, it's an Opus 249, number 17. That's a typical way to indicate certain composition for classical music. And you can Google, and then I'm sure some people post that original performance on YouTube too. So I took out the melody. Let's take a look at that 3/4 that some students still stumbles sometimes. 3/4 means a quarter note receive one count, and one measure is 3 count. So make sure to feel in waltz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Group of 3. Try to feel that group of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I would say the reading the rest of them to the end, and nothing is new and nothing is difficult. Another thing I would like to talk about is Andantino. This is classical music tempo marking. Andante means walking tempo. It's explained that too here. And if you have Tino, it's a little bit. Tino means a little bit. So a little bit walking tempo. That means walking tempo means slow. So Andantino is typically faster than Andante. Andante, in this metronome, Andante is 76 to 108. 108 is a little too fast for Andante, I think. So, but it's how you feel. Sometimes you walk fast when you're excited, and then sometimes you walk slow. So it's not the defined tempo. If a composer wants to have a certain tempo, he's gonna put up a number here, metronome marking. But Andante, they are not defined tempo. It's up to the player's mood for the day. I would put it's Andantino, maybe 100. Or even slower is fine, like a 96. That's, I feel like it today. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1,